you.
Oh my God, the boat!
Oh, no, wait! Wait! Oh, I suppose your wife is... Oh.
Hey, she's in her element. Stockbrokers, CPAs, she'll probably have a time of her life.
What about you?
I hate boats. You wanna know the truth? I'm relieved.
I think this is sturgeon.
This is definitely not sturgeon.
It's just like velvet.
Scottish salmon, the very best.
Oh, sure.
More champagne? For pretentious California, it's not half bad.
You're not kidding. California? Good for me. Oh, God, this is living.
And it's just beginning.
You can say that again.
And it's just beginning.
Very good. Good.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure to have you here this evening. Can I get you a cocktail or some champagne, perhaps?
Champagne?
Yeah.
Champagne.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So you decided not to become an actress?
Yeah, I decided to become a waitress. I had the dress part right, you know.
Right.
And I was a great waitress.
The dress part. I saw you bought the place.
You saw?
I passed by the other day.
And you didn't come in?
Well, I don't know. I figured you were busy.
Please. You have to come in. You have to. You have to see what I did. I established a table with your name on it for people who couldn't afford a meal.
No.
Of course, after what you did, of course. Of course.
What I did. I made a promise and I kept it, period. Most people would have done the same.
Nobody would have done the same. Are you kidding? What you did was like a fairy tale.
And everyone gets to live happily ever after? Well, that's a hopeful sight.
You think? I don't know. I always wonder, what's in store for them? Are they going to be happy? I mean, if she puts on like 50 pounds or something like that, is he going to love her anyway?
How long were you married?
3 years. To an actor named Eddie, who had suggested that if we had a child, we name him Al Pacino. Al Pacino Biasi.
Oh, come on.
That's what I said.
Muriel and I met in high school in one of those cooking classes where all the guys dress up like Chef Boyardee and you figure any minute there's gonna be a fire drill and...
And you're all outside in your aprons.
Exactly. Even now, thinking about it, I get chills. Anyhow, we started dating and, well, Muriel was the first girl I ever...
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's sweet.
I guess. So we went down to the marriage license bureau, and I remember there was this other couple there. They were Orthodox Jews. It was an arranged marriage.
An arranged marriage.
They weren't allowed to see each other. They were surrounded by their families, so they couldn't even get a glimpse of each other. And I remember thinking, my God, they don't even know if they're attracted to each other. They don't even know if they've got anything to talk about with each other. And here it is, 10 years later, and I bet they're happily married with 6 cute little kids. And Muriel and I have nothing to say to one another. I don't know what happened. It's like we're on 2 different channels now. I'm CNN and she's the Home Shopping Network.
But now it can be told. Now it can be told.
How would you feel about dancing?
Now that we have met,
Oh, I'd be in favor of it.
a sentimental story. The greatest romance they ever knew is waiting to unfold. Now it can be told as an inspiration. Every other tale of boy meets girl is just an imitation. The great love story has never been told before, but now it can be told. The great love story has never been told before, but now it can be told.
When I was a rookie, I had the night shift, and I felt like an explorer, because there's this whole other city that goes on all night long. Am I talking incessantly?
Yes. But I like it. I myself am a talker. So, I don't know. It's nice to meet somebody who you can just talk with, you know, and hang with.
Look, here's the thing. I'm free like all the time, basically. So if there's anything you ever want to do during the day, or you're alone and you don't want to be.
Really?
Sure.
Well, how about tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Too soon?
No, not at all.
Okay. Great. Okay, so I'll have Carol watch the register, and then you could come by and pick me up at noon?
I'll be there.
Okay.
All right.
Good. Thank you.
Good night.
Good night.
Hi. Weirdest thing happened. I thought I dropped my wallet outside. Weirdest thing happened. I came outside because I was feeling a little seasick. Weirdest thing happened.
And I have some wonderful ideas, specifically
Hi.
with you in mind.
Weirdest thing happened.
Wasn't the view fabulous?
Fabulous. That was what was so weird. I didn't expect veal. I expected chicken.
Well, I would have come sit with you, but Mr. Gross here.
Jack Gross.
My pleasure.
Pleased to meet you, officer.
Charlie, he's going to help us develop an economic strategy.
What a great idea.
You have some girl here, officer. Smart. Beautiful. And she knows what she wants.
See?
I agree.
Well, thank you very much for a very stimulating evening, Mr. Gross.
My pleasure. If you ever need any advice, either of you.
Well, I will be calling. Well, ready?
Sure.
Okay. Come on, let's get upstairs. I gotta get my coat.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.